Yes, Sunday evening news. Deadly tornadoes across Texas kills at least 25 deaths. 25 dead. Many people. This is the hardest thing in life. Weather in the Midwest. It's called Tornado Alley. That's why it's called Tornado Alley. It's set for weather, the heat, the humidity, the rain, the cold, and the heat mixing together the winds aloft. That's what sets up the tornado. That's what causes a tornado. The wind and the hail here the other day in the city. Well, 25 dead in Texas. That's the saddest of his life. That's a warning in life. Thank you for watching. This is something.